This presentation explains the historical roots of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the main political and psychological dynamics of the war, and the key economic and social impacts on companies and organizations worldwide. After the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, Ukraine became an independent state. For Russia, losing former territories and influence created a deep strategy and emotional shock that shaped future tensions. In 1994, Ukraine gave up its nuclear weapons. In return, Russia, the US, and the UK promised to respect Ukraine's borders. Russia later broke this agreement, damaging international trust. Ukraine moved closer to Europe and NATO, while Russia still saw Ukraine as a part of its influence zone. These opposite goals created long-lasting political and security tensions. The Orange Revolution 2004. Protests erupted after disputed elections. Millions of Ukrainians demanded democracy and closer ties to Europe. This revealed strong public support for an independent political direction. Euromaidan. When the government blocked an Europe deal, large protests began. Violence escalated, the president fled, and the pro-European government took over. This deepened the conflict with Russia. Annexion of Crimea. Russia took control of Crimea with military force and held a fast referendum. Most countries rejected the annexation as illegal. It changed Europe's security landscape. Fighting broke out in the Donbas between Ukraine and Russia-backed separatists. Ceasefires failed, and the conflict became frozen. This period prepared the ground for the 2022 invasion. Russia claims NATO expansion threatens its security. It also used emotional and historical stories to justify its action and gain support at home. On February 24 in 2022, Russia launched a major invasion from several directions. The goal was to quickly weaken Ukraine's government. It became Europe's largest conflict since World War II. Russia expected a quick victory in Kiev. However, Ukrainian forces resisted strongly. Russia withdrew from northern Ukraine after its initial plan failed. Technological and hybrid warfare. The war now involves drones, cyber attacks, and precision weapons. The front lines move slowly, but technology and information warfare play an increasingly important role. Humanitarian and social impact. Millions of people have been displaced, and many cities are destroyed. The war has caused severe trauma, social disruption, and long-lasting damage to daily life. The war is also fought online. Russia spreads disinformation, while the Ukraine used social media to gain global support. Information has become a key battleground. Economic sanctions against Russia. Western countries imposed strong sanctions on Russia. These affect banks, technology, and energy. The sanctions also disrupt global trade and supply chains. Europe's reliance on Russian gas caused an energy crisis in 2022. Prices rose sharply, and many companies struggled. This crisis accelerated the move toward renewable energy. International companies had to decide whether to leave Russia or stay. Ethical concerns, financial risks, and reputational pressure forced many companies to change their strategy. The global food security consequences. The war disrupted grain exports from Ukraine and Russia. Many countries, especially in Africa and the Middle East, faced higher food prices and increased risk of hunger. The long-term implications for organizations. Organizations must adapt to geopolitical risks, diversify supply chains, and strengthen resilience. Ethical responsibility and sustainable planning are becoming more important.